Hello friends, welcome to the channel Dewdear Academy. Today I am going to discuss a question which is taken from the Staff Nurse Grade 2 Health Service examination conducted by the Kerala PAC. So the question number 1 is, dash is a polypeptide hormone produced by parafollicular C cells of thyroid gland. Options: calcitonin, thyroxine, triiodothyronine and parathormone. So question is, the polypeptide hormone produced by parafollicular C cells of thyroid gland. Options I will read once more: calcitonin, thyroxine, triiodothyronine and parathormone. So here the correct answer is option A, calcitonin. So the correct answer is option A, calcitonin. So here we should be familiar with thyroid gland and the different cells of the thyroid gland. So the thyroid gland is consisting of two types of cells, that is follicular cells and parafollicular cells. Follicular cells and parafollicular cells. And the follicular cells of the thyroid gland line the thyroid follicles and they are responsible for producing the hormones thyroxine and triiodothyronine. So the follicular cells are responsible for producing the hormones thyroxine or we will call T4 and triiodothyronine, that is T3. So the hormones thyroxine and triiodothyronine is produced by follicular cells. So option B is wrong. Thyroxine is produced by follicular cells of thyroid gland. So thyroxine is also known as T4 and triiodothyronine is not the correct answer because it is produced again by the follicular cells of thyroid gland. Then we have another option, calcitonin. So we can check calcitonin, that is produced by the parafollicular cells. So we will discuss the parafollicular cells or C cells. Parafollicular cells or C cells. These cells are scattered between the follicles. Hence it got the name parafollicular. They are scattered between the follicles. Okay. And parafollicular cells produce the hormone calcitonin. Parafollicular cells are producing the hormone calcitonin. And what is the function of this hormone calcitonin? Calcitonin help in regulating the calcium levels in the body by reducing the calcium absorption in the intestine, and also it promote the calcium excretion by the kidney, and also it inhibit the activity of osteoclast. So anyway, the function of the calcitonin is it lowers the blood calcium level. Calcitonin lowers or decreases the blood calcium level. So here from this it is clear the correct answer is calcitonin because it is produced by parafollicular C cells, okay, of thyroid gland. Then we have one more hormone, parathormone. So we should be familiar with this hormone also, parathormone. It is produced by the chief cells. It is produced by chief cells or principal cells of the parathyroid gland. It is produced by chief cells or principal cells of parathyroid gland. So the answer is parathormone will not be the answer because it is produced by parathyroid gland. So just for understanding, we should know the parathyroid glands contains two types of cells. One is the chief cells or the principal cells, and they are producing parathyroid hormone or the parathormone. Parathormone is also known as the parathyroid hormone. And what is the function of this hormone? It increases the blood calcium level. This hormone increases the blood calcium level. So this hormone is responsible for increasing the blood calcium level. Increases the blood calcium level. So we can understand from here, the parathormone is increasing the blood calcium level, and the calcitonin produced from the thyroid gland, it is decreasing the blood calcium level. So both of them are acting antagonistically. Then the parathyroid gland is also having oxyphil cells. The exact function of the oxyphil cells is not entirely clear. They are believed to be inactive or degenerate the chief cells. So oxyphil cells are not producing any non-hormones. So here from this it is clear that the correct answer is calcitonin. Calcitonin is a polypeptide hormone which is produced by parafollicular C cells of the thyroid gland. So the correct answer is option A, that is calcitonin. So thank you all of you.